Which Foghorn?
Oliver, what are you wanking into this
Tripod
time?
Foghorn.
Angry
No,
Birds.
it's like the
Which one?
Excellent. Yeah, which one?
Alright.
Which one got you going?
The red one, the yellow one, the green one.
Alright, I did not
Oh.
do that.
Oliver.
I don't know.
Who? We don't care about it. Oliver. Which one? Which Angry Bird stroked your fancy?
Red
Yeah.
one. The red one. Obviously. Red one.
See, personally, I
Why not the
like
blue one?
the bomb one. That one's my favorite.
Same, actually. Yeah.
If I say the
changed
color,
my
I'll get
mind.
canceled on
That one.
Twitter.com.
Exactly.
And here's another episode of Stroking It with Oliver. Tune in next week when he strokes
Wait.
into a blender.
Wait,
So are
but
all
this
three
is the
of you
first
murderers?
episode. No.
I don't know. You want to find out?
Stroking It with Oliver. This might not be
What?
a thing.
Would you like to find out?
No.
I hear him. This circle is in heat.